Hello and welcome to the IG Daily Market Update for Friday the 3rd of December 2010. European markets have been fairly flat this morning, fluctuating between gains and losses after US pending home sales figure came out yesterday better than expected and confirmed the US economy is firmly on the recovery track. Other positive data released this morning that helped support the European markets included the EU PMI data for the services sector coming out better than expected at 55.4, and also month-on-month EU retail sales figures coming out positive and better than expected at 0.5%. In the UK, though, the miners have helped support the markets this morning, with Fresnillo leading the gainers, and we've seen shares in Berkeley Group rise by about 4% this morning after the home builder reported net income for the first half of the year, which rose to £44.5 million, and that was compared to 36.9 reported last year. In Paris, Hermès family shareholders will be meeting today to discuss how the company can sell its stock without the rival LVMH acquiring control of the company, and this is after the world's largest luxury goods maker LVMH managed to build a 17.1% stake in the company through equity swaps. Looking at the euro, though, we've seen the euro strengthen against the dollar today as European Central Bank President Jean-Claude Trichet insisted that there is no crisis of the euro as a currency, and also said that the ECB would continue to buy government bonds in order to counter the destabilizing rise in borrowing costs. Over in Asia, though, Asian markets were broadly positive after the close this morning, and that was due to the US economy recovering and also investors being broadly more positive about the Eurozone debt. The Nikkei closed the week up 1.4% after testing its 6-month high today. Across the pond in the US, though, US futures are fairly flat and pointing to an unchanged open, and all eyes turn to the all-important November payroll figures and also the unemployment rate due out at 1:30 today. The median forecast expected 145,000 jobs to have been added over the last month, and for the unemployment rate to stay at 9.6% for the third straight month. The US markets have been on the rise over the last few days, with better than expected retail sales figures coming in, and also the pending home sales, which were also better than expected. And so expect to see a bounce in the markets this afternoon should the payroll figures come out better than expected.